This is K R. I'm a Python trainer in PySpiders. Recently, we have conducted a women empowerment program. One of our students, she joined for a program, and with that program, she got an offer, and which means she got a job, and she has shared some experience regarding the program and the placement and everything.
My name is ANJALI K R. I studied in Kalpataru Institute of Technology, Tutor. My specialization is computer science, percentage of 67, and I recently joined the PySpiders under the Women Empowerment Program, and I had very nice experience here. It's a best platform to learn.